Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ita Surojoyo. Do you know that there is an upcoming event this month? Yes, Kongres Aksara Jawa Ke-1 in Yogyakarta. This event is held on 22nd to 26th of March 2021. And as a part of millennial generation, personally I support this event in the hope that next time in the future, the result will benefit us, especially to accommodate Japanese script in digital platform. I do believe that we badly need a standard to use this voice-based writing system. So for those who are working hard on it, I fully support you. I wish a great success for the Kongres. Mari menjaga tradisi agar kita tidak kehilangan jati diri. Rahayu, swastiastu, and goodbye.